9.0 Richter scale earthquake hit northeast Japan on March 11, 2011, triggering a tsunami that has caused catastrophic damage. Within hours after that, Helping Hand for Relief and Development, or HHRD, announced the Muslims for Japan campaign. Details of this campaign can be seen online at www.muslimsforjapan.org. To organize the relief operations, Helping Hand's Executive Director for International Programs, Irfan Khurshid, has reached Japan from the border of Tunisia and Libya. Helping Hands teams have set 6 collection points in Tokyo as well as surrounding areas and have started providing daily services since Wednesday to more than 1,000 persons at a shelter in Yamagata, Japan. Several USA TV channels have given reports of Helping Hand on the efforts in Japan.
The Helping Hand for Relief and Development organization is also accepting monetary donations. Since last Friday, they've raised more than $50,000.
We are going to use this to purchase food items and also items like household items like sleeping bags, comforters, and also winter clothing from Tokyo, and we'll try to take it into the areas when they're safe, when the government will allow our teams to go in, and they will distribute over there.
After having earlier introduced the Qarz-e Hasana and Mudaraba mode of Islamic microfinance program, Helping Hand has now initiated the third mode of Mudaraba. Inauguration ceremony was held in Bahawalpur, in which guest of honor was Executive Director Officer Community Development Bahawalpur Mr. Athar Mahmood. He applauded this Mudaraba program of Helping Hand, saying that it will go a long way to eradicating poverty from the disadvantaged area of Bahawalpur, Punjab. Speaking on this occasion, Country Director of Helping Hand Fazlur Rahman said that Helping Hand is continuing to work on various humanitarian and poverty obliteration projects. He added that Helping Hand's Islamic microfinance will be expanded to the distant and less fortunate regions, so as to provide suitable opportunity for people to earn dignified earning. He informed that as the initial phase of this Mudaraba program in Bahawalpur, 50 ladies have been given cattle and sheep. These ladies will inshallah take good care of this livestock and will sell them for profit on the occasion of Eid ul-Adha in early November 2011.
Under the supervision of the Executive Director of International Programs Irfan Khurshid, Helping Hand for Relief and Development has established assistance camp for the displaced persons of Libya at a place called Ras Azdid, located on the border of Libya and Tunis. This relief camp has necessary staff providing daily medical assistance, including medicines. Also, cooked hot meals are served to hundreds of refugees who have fled Libya due to the volatile situation. In a message from the field, Irfan Khurshid has appealed to all the kind-hearted persons to wholeheartedly contribute towards the Libya, Tunis, Egypt Fund of Helping Hand at www.hhrd.org. Irfan Khurshid has now traveled to Tokyo from the Tunis-Libyan border, and after establishing the work in Japan, he will go to the Egypt-Libyan border to organize Helping Hand's work on that border as well as inside Egypt.
Under the Adopted Union Council program of Helping Hand, a simple ceremony was held in the district of Muzaffargarh to give the ownership of 5 homes whose construction was recently completed. Home keys were handed out by Regional Coordinator Riyazat Saqib. These 5 homes were constructed with a budget of 7.5 lakh rupees, which is equal to $8,800 US. The rest of the homes have continued to be constructed in the district of Muzaffargarh. In another Union Council of Charsada, work is progressing swiftly on the construction of 25 homes for the most vulnerable families in the community. For the review of the construction work, Program Coordinator Amjad Mahmood and consultant Ghulam Abbas did an extensive tour of Charsada. On this occasion, Amjad Mahmood informed that the management of Helping Hand is endeavoring to execute on priority basis the rehabilitation and rebuilding projects of the flood sufferers and other needy persons of Pakistan. Flood victims present over there highly appreciated the recuperation work of Helping Hand.
Another container of in-kind donation from the Muslim American community reached Dera Ghazi Khan and distributed among 400 families in one of the poorest neighborhood of Basti Delana that was badly affected by the floods. The items that were distributed to about 3,000 persons included good quality clothes and non-perishable food items. Another containers of goods reached in Tehsil Kot Addu for the flood victims. Regional Coordinator Punjab Riyasat Saqib informed that this consignment also included good quality clothes and non-perishable food items, and around 17,000 people benefited from this distribution.
An eye camp was organized by the Health Department of Helping Hand in Shah Jamal District, Muzaffargarh. This 3-day eye camp was done in collaboration with the POB Trust. 200 persons got free eye surgery at this camp. Also, more than 1,000 people received medical checkups and health facilities. All the beneficiaries of this eye camp have immensely thanked Helping Hand for arranging this camp. Helping Hand organizes periodically similar camps throughout Pakistan.
Through the Sadqa and Aqiqah program of Helping Hand USA, 104 animals were slaughtered in various underserved places that were affected by the floods, and the meat was distributed among the needy. Program coordinator Amjad Mahmood has informed that more than 1,200 persons received this nourishing meat.
Through the courtesy of Helping Hand, wedding boxes were distributed in Peshawar and the nearby areas among the victims of flood. Minister of Health for the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa was the chief guest. At this event, Manager Health Mia Masoodur Rahman and Regional Coordinator for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Azmat Akbar for the Helping Hand were present. They informed that each wedding gift box has 4 dresses, bedding set, curtain set, 1 comforter, 2 pairs of shoes, coat, purse, food items and hygiene kit. 50 families received these wedding gift boxes.